Friends, hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how to fix the lack of hidden album in the Photos app on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to put likes under the video, write your comments after watching, also be sure to subscribe to this channel. And let us get down to the topic. If you have a problem, like some users, especially after updating to iOS 18, that you go into the Photo app but you can't find the hidden photos option or that hidden album part, then I'm going to show you how you can quickly fix it. First of all, please open on your iPhone settings. And you can enter the word photos in the search box and open this app. Now you're going to have to scroll down and find this option here, which is called Hidden Album. And you have it, and so do I. It's currently disabled. You just need to activate it by clicking on the button. And then, folks, you can exit the settings. And make sure that the hidden album shows up in your gallery. To do that, you go into the gallery, scroll down, and you can find the hidden album in your gallery list. That's the quick and easy enough method to fix the lack of a hidden album in the Photos app on your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to put likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you, friends.